Good morning. This is Keisha here at TradeWithResolve.com, and this will be a live day trading video. Now, if you're interested in viewing live day trades along with learning some of the basic terminology that comes along when trading in the stock market, be sure to go ahead and click the subscribe button below for more content. So I'm currently watching Apple here. We had a gap down this morning, so I'm just going to wait for the ideal setup and then I will look to put on a position. So I am now in the trade. I bought 8 put contracts at 77 cents and I am looking for the price of Apple to continue lower. Let's see what happens. So Apple is currently moving in the wrong direction here. I was expecting the price to continue lower, but we're starting to get a little bit of a bounce here. My stop loss hasn't been hit just yet, but so far I'm not liking the current price action, but I'm going to give it a little bit of time to see if it can continue to break down lower. If not, I will jump out of the trade for a small loss. So Apple is still going against me here. The price is starting to move higher. My stop loss is approaching, so I'll likely be exiting the position here for a small loss. Let's see what happens with it. So I am all out of the trade here for an $80 loss. So it looks like Apple is about to start rallying here. Apple just could not break below that level of support. So now we're getting a bounce here. So I went ahead and cut my losing trade short. I didn't allow it to spin out of control, and that's just part of the game. Losses are going to happen, and it's just really important just to cut them quickly when it's not working out. I hope you enjoyed this short live trade. Now, I know it wasn't the most exciting video. Now, I do offer quite a few other videos here on the channel, so feel free to check those out if you're interested. Also, if you're brand new to the stock market, I do have a free Trading Essentials video lesson series. It's located in the description below. And in that video lesson series, I go over some of the basic terminology that comes along when trading in the stock market. Thank you so much for watching. And if you're interested in more content like this, certainly consider subscribing to the channel. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.